this video we'd like to discuss Hyperemesis Gravidarum treatment at Antai Hospital and also the difference between hyperemesis and morning sickness after treatment. So many of our patients know that Antai Hospital does offer effective treatment for your hyperemesis condition. Many of our patients have histories of several miscarriages, induced abortions, failed pregnancies because of how severe and traumatic their hyperemesis episode was. So as we all know, especially survivors of hyperemesis, it's a life-threatening pregnancy disorder that only affects a small portion of women. Symptoms associated with this rare and severe disease are insomnia, excessive vomiting and nausea, excessive salivation, being unable to put anything down, especially food and water, causing dehydration, malnutrition, loss of weight, several other complications that can cause maternal morbidity and also fetal death as well. So it's something that is must be taken seriously, especially nowadays where there is very little knowledge or awareness of hyperemesis. So we urge our patients to actually share this video so that more patients can get educated on this and also receive the appropriate treatment before pregnancy. So at Antai Hospital, we do offer treatment, and the treatment success rate is up to 95%. So once you take this, ideally before pregnancy at Antai Hospital, and then also you can also take this treatment within the first few weeks of pregnancy, within the first month. And if you follow our instructions, you can see a smooth full-term pregnancy with no complications. However, it is still possible that you will be nauseated and also experience a little bit of vomiting during the week 6 and week 12, which is during your first trimester. It is incredibly possible. And some women, some patients believe that our treatment is not effective. They believe that they are still experiencing hyperemesis. So the distincting thing here is that you are experiencing morning sickness now. It's not hyperemesis anymore. So it's normal that you will feel a little bit of nauseated and also a little bit of vomiting, but it's nothing too severe, and it will not sustain itself past the first trimester. This is the big difference here in its duration and severity of symptom, although they are completely separate conditions. So despite receiving our treatment, you will still observe morning sickness if you do have this pregnancy symptom. Not every person will experience this, so it's different for everyone. So do be relaxed and rest assured it's not going to harm your pregnancy. It's not going to cause any complications. It's just a simple, harmless morning sickness. So even after receiving our treatment, it is normal to actually be a little bit nauseated and also a little bit of vomiting, nothing too severe and nothing too long term. If it in fact is something very severe, then you need further treatment. Quickly get in touch with us today, although that is unlikely. So you need to remind yourself of this key distinct symptom. We are understanding of your situation. We understand the immense trauma, the mental stress that you have gone through because of your previous hyperemesis episodes, experiences. It's very easy to get very anxious and also very uneasy during this pregnancy, but rest assured, do not associate these things to be the same thing. What you are experiencing after receiving our treatment is most likely just morning sickness, and it is not so severe. You can still go on to your daily normal activities. You are still able to actively walk around, carry out your daily activities, work. All of these things must be present during pregnancy. Otherwise, it is something that needs treatment. So we hope that we've addressed this issue, because it's been coming up with our patients recently as to why they are still vomiting and still experiencing some nausea. That is just a normal pregnancy symptom that is actually part of pregnancy, just as harmless morning sickness that is not so severe. And your Hyperemesis Gravidarum is in fact already eliminated with our treatment. So if you'd like to receive this treatment, or if you'd like to consult us on how to receive this treatment, please get in touch with us via the website as soon as possible, and we can assist you on your pregnancy journey today with Antai Hospital.